How to find my tickets on Eventbrite. Eventbrite is an online platform used for creating, managing, and promoting events. In order to find your tickets, log in to your Eventbrite account. Enter your Eventbrite portal account details and log in. If you are not registered, create a new account by clicking on Sign Up button. Once you have logged into Eventbrite portal, click on the drop-down arrow. Click on Tickets. Here you can see your upcoming events ticket and can also see past order. Additionally, you can view your tickets in mobile device. Download the Eventbrite app from Apple App Store or Android Play Store. Log in with your Eventbrite email and password. Then click on the tickets icon. You will find your tickets there. That's it. Thanks for watching.